Racing just started. We have Consolidator. Break quickly at the start. Moving upon the outside. Security Spirit. Shamo Familia in the middle. Cold Hearted comes next. Then followed by September Morning. Red Wings. And on the outside. Unica Champ. Shy Guy second last. While Monster in low is the trailer. And going along for the first turn. We have Consolidator. Link any hop. Right behind in second is Security Spirit. 4 lengths further back in third comes Shamo Familia. And on the outside September Morning. Down on the inside now is Cold Hearted. Then next on land is Red Wing. Shy Guy comes next. Unica Champ. While Monster in low still racing in less. And at the far turn we have Consolidator. By about half length. And in second now is Security Spirit. 8 lengths further back in third comes September Morning. Next on land Cold Hearted, Shy Guy, Shamo Familia, Red Wings, Unica Champ, and Monster in low still trailing the group. And as they swing for home, we have Consolidator. This time by about 5 lengths. Security Champ still in second, or rather Security Spirit. Last 50 meters, it's going to be Consolidator. Second is September Morning. Close between Shy Guy and Security Spirit. Then comes